Okay, so I want to provide you with a brief overview of how to access your volunteer clearances so that you too can volunteer at St. Pat's. So if you clicked on the website linked above, it should take you to this page. You'll see here the list of things that we need to complete in order to be approved volunteers through the diocese. When you click on this first link here, it'll take you to this next page. On this page, it goes through the criminal history check information, and it lets you know that the check will be free for volunteers. So you click on this conduct a patch check, and it takes you to the next page, and new record check volunteers only is where we want to go. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and there will be a little checkbox that goes along with this page. By clicking that box, you are saying that you accept everything to be reviewed from your past, and then you'll fill out the information here and you'll submit that. With this criminal history check, there are 2 pages of information for you to fill out, of which you should know the information because it is your personal information. The only thing additional that you will need to have with you is the phone number for St. Patrick Catholic School and an email address that you can send your information to, so you'll receive the receipt of that. The next link is to check the child abuse history background. Again, something that you need to have a clear background in order to do volunteering. When you click on that link, it takes you to this page here. Again, volunteers, it is free, and so you can do an electronic submission for this information, and you would go ahead and create an individual account. Now, for this application, you will need to provide some personal information just like the last one, but with this one, you'll have to provide the address of all of your previous homes. So any place where you have lived in the past, you will need to provide that address. You will also need to provide the information for anybody that you have lived with. And so that includes immediate family, extended family, as well as any kind of roommates or anything like that. You'll need to provide their name and their age for the background information. So this one is a little bit more detailed, but again, it is a free one. It's really nice that they have a PDF that tells you how to do the online application, or if you're not comfortable with online, you can mail in the information, and they have a English version and a Spanish version, so whichever you might need there. The FBI report is the fingerprinting, which you only need to do if you have not been a continuous resident of Pennsylvania for the last 10 years. You would go in and fill out some information, and then you can go to the York Learning Center, which is on 7th Avenue in York, pretty close to the school, and you can get your fingerprinting done there. For this one, there is a charge if you are in need of getting those fingerprints, and for Catholic school volunteers, it would be $21.35. The Adult Unpaid Position Disclosure Statement is a PDF. When you click on that, it'll pull up some information regarding that. The next link that we're going to look at is the online training course. When you click in here, it gives you some information regarding the Youth Protection Program, and it's called a learning management system. The learning management system is simply that you log into it to learn the materials and take a quiz on it so that the diocese know that you have been trained. So the first thing you need to do if you have yet to register is to go ahead and register, which if you click on this little link down here, it will take you to a page where you're going to have to enter all of your information. Once you register, you will need to sign in and go to your training. And in this training, it's telling you to read the Code of Conduct, which if you go over here, the Code of Conduct is on that right-hand side. You'll read through all of the expectations that you will have as an adult volunteer and as a reporter of incidents. Once you're done that, you'll click there to continue, and you'll watch the introductory video. Once you create your account, you will log in with your username and password, and then you will begin your training on recognizing and reporting child abuse. When you click on these things, it'll tell you that you need to be prepared to spend 3 hours on this course. And if you are not active for 45 minutes, then it will log you out and time you out. But you will be able to access it where you left off. But now is the greatest part of all the background information and clearances is this 3-hour course that you now take. Once you're finished with that, you will have a certificate of completion, and all your clearance information should be completed at that point. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to contact anyone on the PTO or the school office and find out more information or for greater assistance. Thanks.